Welcome to video number 306. In the super short lesson, we are going to see let me or let us, such as let me do it or let's do it. What tense can you actually use for this? Because many of you are saying this wrong. We use this to express confidence. Let me try or let's do it. And it is also to show willingness. Let me give a try. Let's do it. The right tense in Tamil to express this is the simple present tense. Let me go. நான் போறேன். But for the first person plural, that is we, it is நாம போலாம். Let's go. நாம போலாம். Let's go. Just imagine you're using it as a defiance or disobedience, a daring objection. The preferable tense is simple present tense. அவங்க என்ன சொல்றது? நாம போறோம். And who are they to object? Let's go or we're going to go. அவங்க என்ன சொல்றது? நாம போறோம். Who are they to object? Let's go. Based on this, when you say நான் சாப்பிடுறேன், it can be an ongoing action, that is you're presently eating, or let me eat, that is your willingness or interest to perform an action. Okay, let me eat. சரி, நான் சாப்பிடுறேன். Now, a small test for you. How to say this? You can write it in the comment. So there are multiple ways to say this. So let's see who can write them all. And very importantly, I cannot insist enough the importance of learning the conjugation and tenses. It makes your learning easier. So learning the conjugation can make your phrase making spontaneous. So go through these videos until you get thorough in order to make your learning easier. Now this is the bonus word of the video. தற்செயலா நான் அவங்கள சந்திச்சேன். By chance I met him. தற்செயலா நான் அவங்கள சந்திச்சேன். When I googled for some interesting phrase out of this word, I got this. Can anyone translate this and write it in the comment? ஒரு விஷயம் தற்செயலா நடக்குதுன்னு பட்டுச்சுன்னா அதுக்கான முழு காரிய காரணங்களை நாம இன்னும் உணரலன்னு தான் அர்த்தம். To help you, பட்டுச்சுன்னா means if felt. காரிய காரணங்கள், and that is a reason or meaning of something. உணர is understand or grasp. ஒரு விஷயம் தற்செயலா நடக்குதுன்னு பட்டுச்சுன்னா அதுக்கான முழு காரிய காரணங்களை நாம இன்னும் உணரலன்னு தான் அர்த்தம்.